Alright, so in this video, as you can see, multiplication. So by looking at this, you come to know about that we are going to start a new chapter 3, that is multiplication. But students, before that, I want to tell you that whatever the questions are given in page number 41, 42 and 43, you have to do it, students. Okay, so I'm talking about these pages. Okay. So 41, 42 and 43 page. So mental maths, as I told you, very important. Chapter checkup is also very important. So you just go through, okay, and those who ever completed, you can show me. Okay, already I got some images already from you, and if there is any mistake, I correct it and I give it back to you. So in that way, if you have done, so you can send it to me. Now let's begin the chapter. But students, here one more thing, as you know this multiplication, so I already told you in Bihu holiday also I gave you one work that you have to learn multiplication table, right students? So I think you have done, and those whoever are like not done yet, so you just go through, because that is very important. Otherwise you can't able to do a single problem from this chapter. Okay, so that is a very important part, that is you should memorize the multiplication table. Okay, so this is the only thing we teacher you tell you to memorize. Okay, because there is no other option. Actually options are there, but if you go through in that other option, it will take a more time to solve any kind of problem. So that is why students, you just remember them. Okay, that one will help you to do not only in case of multiplication, also in case of division also. Okay, and slowly we will go to division, factors, multiples. Okay, so everywhere you need multiplication, so that is why it is very much important. So at least up to from table 2 to table 9 you just go through. Okay students, and you just like practice every day, make a tuning and you just practice every day. Okay, I will ask you in online class also, and in your personal interaction I can call you and I can ask you. Okay, like in between, from the middle of any number. Okay, so if you at that time if you will not give me the answer, then it will be very much disappointing. Okay, so I think you will do hard work in that and you will try to remember them, right students? Okay, so let's start. Our topic is multiplication, as you know, and the symbol you already know, right? This is the symbol for multiplication. This is in page number 44. Okay, so let's start the video. Students, I think you can see this two term. One is called factor, another one is called product. Okay, so you see here I have written one example, 2 into 6. Okay, that means 2 6 how much? 12, right students? So how I did, because I remember 2 times table, so that's why I can write it. Okay, so 2 6 times we have to multiply, then we will get this. Okay, now 42 into 3. Okay, that means here we have to multiply 3 with 42. So here you see, this is a 2-digit number, this is a 1-digit number. So by this way we can do, right? So as you know, the procedure from here to here and from here to here, right? So 3 into 2, first of all we have to do 3 2 ja 6. There is no carry, and 3 4 ja 12. So the answer you get 126, right? So this is the product. Okay, and factor students, the number which we are multiplying, okay, the two number which we are multiplying, they are called factors. Okay, so here what are the factors? 42 and 3 are the factor of what? 26, because if we multiply them we will get 126. So that is why these two are the factor of what? 126. And students, after getting multiplication, like after doing multiplication, the answer we get, that one is called product. Okay, so in this case this is the product, this 12 is the product, and these two are the factor. Okay students, I think you understood what are factors and what are product. The two number which we multiply, they are the factor of that number, and the number we get, that is our what? Students, now I will show you some more example from that page only. So if you have the book, you can see page number 44 there, question number 1, okay, multiply. So a number is there, so I will show you the procedure how to do, and similarly by following this way you can solve the other problems, okay. So a number is given 42 into 2, so I have written this way. As you can see the arrow mark, that means first of all you have to go in this way and then this way, okay. So 2 2 ja 4 and there is no carry, so 4 2 ja 8. Okay, similarly here first of all you have to go this way, so 4 2 ja how much, 8, no carry, and 5 4 ja 20, so you have to write like this, okay. Similarly here C number 71 into 1, so 1 1 ja 1 and 7 1 ja 7, right, simple. Now these are the numbers which we are multiplying with only one digit, right. Now in case of two digit, what we have to do? Procedure is same, but we have to do 2 times, okay, that means in 2 steps. So let's do it. Now 1 9 ja, right, so this is the common number we have to multiply with this 2 number, and then in the next step we have to multiply 8 with this 2 number, okay. So this is the simple step, so let's do it. 1 9 ja 9, 1 6 ja 6. Now your ones place is done, so in the next step we will not write anything in the ones place, so that's why I'm writing 0 here. You can put a cross also, okay, no problem. Now as we are doing from tens place, we'll start writing from tens place. So 8 9 ja 72, right, so 2 we will write and 7 will be carried, so you have to remember 7 is the carry, okay. Now 6 8 ja or 8 6 ja 48, okay. So 6 8 ja, or you can also do 6 8 ja or 8 6 ja, okay, same 48, okay. So 48 plus 7, it will be 55, right, so you have to write 55 here. Students, you see the place values, okay. So from tens place we started, and now then again we are getting 2 digit numbers, so to write it like this way. Next is your addition, so 6 plus 0 will be 9, sorry, 9 plus 0 will be 9, 6 plus 2 6, 7 8, 5, there is nothing above, so 5 will be 5, and here also 5. So the answer you are getting 5589. So in this way, by following this one is the first step and this one is the second step, okay. So second step you have to remember that in tens ones place you have to put 0, or you can either put cross also, okay, because already ones place we have done in the first step, so no need to do it again in the second step. So you just have to skip that place and you have to start from tens place, okay. So let's try this one. H number 93 into 84. So we will start from here. 4 3 ja 12, carry is 1. Then 4 9 ja 36 plus 1 will be 37, right. Now as I told you that ones place is done, so you have to put 1 0. Now from here we will start, right, tens place. So 8 3 ja 24, right, so 4 we will write and 2 will be the carry. Now 8 9 ja 72 again, and 72 plus 2 will be 74, so you have to write like this way, 74, okay. Always students remember the place value, accordingly you have to write, okay. Now you have to plus it. 2 7 plus 4 11, right, now carry 1, then 4 plus 3 will be 7 plus 1 will be 8, and 7 here nothing, so it will remain as 7. So the answer you get 7812 for this. In your book you see question number 2, so there you will see this, okay. So these are called box multiplication, so let's see how to do it. I take example from question number 3a, okay. So this is the box multiplication, okay. So let's see how to do it. 28 into 7, okay. So the first step you have to take, students, that is your this one, 28. So you have to break this number, as you know how to break it. 20 and 8, right, 20 plus 8 will be 28. So let's write it, 20 and 8, all right. Now one number we have left, that one we have to write it here, all right. Now we have to multiply this two number, okay. That means the first step is your what, 7 into 20 you have to write, okay. And then in the next step you have to again multiply 7 into 8, Okay, so you can see here we will write it. Okay, so if we multiply 7 into 2, what we will get? 140, right? And then 7 8 ja 56, right? So here I am writing this 7 into 8 is equals to 56. So this is it, done. Now the number you get, that one you have to just add. So here 140 and 56, just add them. 6, 5, 4 will be 9 and 1. So the answer for this one will be 196. Got it, students? Easy or not? Yes. So here in this way you can do box multiplication. Okay, so few more examples are there in 3 numbers B, C. Okay, so you go through that. Now, what if there if there are 2-digit numbers in both the cases, like F number. I have taken this number. So let me show you. If both the numbers are 2-digit, then how can you do? Very simple. You have to break 2 of them. Okay, that means you have to break 94 also, you have to make 18 also. So if you break this number, what you will get? 90 plus 4. And if you break 18, you will get what? 10 plus 8. Is not it? So let's write it. First of all, we will write this. So 90 plus 4. Okay. So here no need to give plus sign. Okay, just you write them separately. 10 plus 8. So in one box you write 10, another one you write 8. So here you are writing 18 and here you are writing 94. Right? Now, according to the rule, how we will do? We have to multiply, right? So with this number we have to multiply both the number, and in the next step we have to multiply both the numbers with 8. So here we will multiply with what? 10 into 90. And here we will multiply 10 with 4. Here we will multiply again 8 with 90 and here with 8 and 4. Got it? Now in the next step, let's write the products. So if we multiply this, so we will get, that means 10 into 90, it will give us 900. Right, students? Now 10 into 4. So it will be obviously 10 4 ja 40, right? Now 8 into 90. So how much we will get here? 720. And lastly 8 into 4. That is 32. Right? So you see all the products you are getting. These are the 4 products. Okay. The last step is to what? To plus them. So let's plus them. First of all, I'll write the greater number and then followed by the smaller one. 40 and 32. Now let's plus them. So here all 0 and 2. So 2. Then 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3 will be 9. And 9 plus 7 will be 16, right? So the answer for this will be 1692. Okay, so this is how you can do box multiplication. Is not it interesting, students? So within these 2 steps, okay, you can easily find out by plussing all the products. You can find out the product of these greater numbers also. Okay, students? Our next topic is exploring multiplication. First, we will do by breaking up numbers. You can see some stars I have drawn, right? So, without counting them, actually, we can find that how many stars are there. Just we need to find out the horizontal and the vertical lines. Okay, so let's find out here in the vertical line how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's write 4. And horizontally 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here also 4. And now what do you have to do, students? Just multiply them. These 2 number we are getting, no? Just multiply them. So as you know, 4, 4 just 16. So here total there are 16 stars. If we count, we can get this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yes. So you can see without doing actual calculation, actual counting, we can find out by multiplication. So this is called breaking up numbers. Okay. So this one was one of the example. I will show you one more example of breaking up numbers. How here we break up these stars, right? We have divided it into horizontal and vertical. Now what if only numbers are given? So in that case we have to break up the numbers. So let's do it. See this example, students. The question is given 7 into 9, right? So 7 into 9. So here two numbers are given. So any one number you can break up. So I am breaking this number 9. Okay, so 7 as it is written, as it is we are writing. Then 9 I break up into 3 and 6. Okay, because 3 plus 6 will be 9. Then we have to multiply this 7 with both the numbers like this one. So as you can see here, 7 into 3 and again with 7 into 6. 7 into 6. And this plus sign we have to give here. Now 7 3s are 21, 7 6 are 42. And this 2 if we plus we'll get 63. So this is how you can find out by breaking up the numbers. Okay, you can find out the products. Okay, now let's see one more example. So this one I'm doing from try this page number 45. So it is given 16 into 4. We need to find out. Okay. So students, you see here this 16 and 4. So obviously we'll break this number 16. This is greater number, right? So 16 if I break up, so I can write this one as 10 plus 6, right? So two number we already get. So you can write 10 plus 6 in bracket, multiplication sign and 4. Okay. Now, as you know that we have to multiply 2 times with this number, है ना? So 10 into 4 we have to do. Then plus sign. Again 6 into 4 or 4 into 6 you can write. So 4 10 ja what? 40 and 6 4 ja or 4 6 ja 24. If you plus them, you will get 64, right? So the answer for this one 16 4 ja 64. Okay students, so in this way you have to break up the number and multiply this two number, okay, with the another number. Then you can easily get. Let's see some questions from 3.1. Build 12 term tables by using this idea. That means the idea, as I told you, breaking up numbers. So here you see 12 term tables is written up to 10. Okay, so up to this much is written. Now if you see the pattern, you can easily find out. So we have to break 12 into what? 2 part, right? So 12 can be broken as 10 plus 2, right? So in one section we'll write 10 and another section we'll write 2. Now we have to multiply with what? 5. So we'll write with 5. 5 into 10 and here 5 into 2. So 5 into 10 it will be 50 and 5 into 2 will be what? 10. 5 2 ja 10. So 50 plus 10 will be what? 60. So we come to know that 5 12 ja 60. Alright. Similarly here 6 into 10 and again 6 into 6 into 2. Okay. So 6 into 10 will be 60 and 6 into 2 will be 12. So now if we plus them we'll get 72. If you go with this 7 into 12, so obviously 7 into 10 and again 7 into 2. So 7 10 ja 70 and 7 2 ja 14. So if you do it, how much you will get? 84. So you see, is not it interesting? In this way you can form 12 times table. Okay, so by breaking up the numbers, you can find out the table as well. Okay, and you can multiply also. Now let's see these numbers. Okay, question number 2. I am showing you E number here. 14 into 9. So 14 I broke up into 10 plus 4. Okay, then have to multiply with 10 once and then have to multiply with 4. है ना? So 9 10 ja will be 90 and here it will be 36. So if you plus it, you will get 126. Okay, so this is the answer. So very simple. You go through of this. This one is 2 numbers E. Okay, so A, B, C, D. You go through. I'm sure that you will going to enjoy this. So students, this one 3.1, so one number you can do it in your book, but this 5 questions, now this one you have to write it in your copy. Okay, so you give exercise 3.1 question number 2 and A to E number, you just write it down in your copy as I have shown you. For your understanding, I make this arrow mark, but while you are writing, no need to make any kind of arrow mark. Just simply neat and cleanly you have to write. Okay, students. So you do exercise 3.1. In my next video, I will discuss about 3.2 and also some more topics. Okay. So thank you.